What's up, you guys? Good afternoon. I would usually say good morning, but it's the afternoon. Hope everyone is feeling fantastic. So I have actually headed to go and get ShéKayla from school. Yeah, I've got River and Rain is in the back with me because today actually we're going to visit someone who I have not seen. Oh my gosh, I don't think she's seen ShéKayla since she was a little girl. Because obviously we left Anguilla when ShéKayla was 3. Did she visit? She did visit England a long time ago, but I don't think ShéKayla was with me when I went to see her. I don't know. Yeah, so we're actually going to visit my stepmom. Yes, I'm actually going to visit my stepmother, but I'm gonna get ShéKayla first. She's actually not staying too far from where I live, and I kept wanting to go and see her, but it just wasn't working out, you know. Yesterday, like, a lot of rain came down. Summer is basically done, and the weather it just hasn't been great. Right now today it's starting to get cold actually, because I've been waking up these past like 3 mornings and I'm like freezing, like so cold where I wish like I could put the heating on. But yeah, so today I'm like, you know what, it's not that bad. I'm gonna try and take the kids and go and see her before she goes back to Anguilla, because she only came to go to my cousin's funeral. Her nephew, that is my stepmom's nephew, unfortunately he passed away, and his funeral was last Friday. I actually didn't go in person, obviously, just because, you know, I had River and Rain. ShéKayla went to school. That's when school reopened. Just a lot. I just couldn't go physically, but I was there throughout the whole thing. Like, I watched the whole thing online. It was live on YouTube, so I watched it there. You know, I was just quite, when I heard of his passing, it's so thing, because just a few months ago I introduced him and Sean, like, we were randomly just at the clinic and I saw him and I was like, hey, you know, and I was like, oh, Sean, this is such and such, and that was it. And he was like, you know, both of them was like, what kind of introduction is this? Because I was like, Sean so and so, and Sean was like, okay, who is this? And he was like, okay, like he knew that Sean's my husband, but it's like Sean didn't know anything about him. I was like, oh, sorry, this is my cousin. It's like, okay, like that's the way you said, this is my cousin so and so, and meet Sean so and so, you know. And yeah, when he passed away, it was just like a sudden kind of thing. Like, it was just really shocking. I lost, like, both my grandparents died, but both my grandmothers died. My grandfathers passed away way before I was born, and my mother's mom, she passed away a few years ago, but I didn't really know her because, you know, I grew up in Anguilla, so I didn't grow up around my family. I grew up with, you know, just around like step family, who, you know, I don't even say step family, they are my family, you know. So I didn't grow up around my father's grandmother. My father's mom, she passed away as well, but I just used to see them, you know, like I just used to see her when I used to visit Jamaica and stuff, but I never really had that bond per se with either of my grandparents, you know. And you know, it's different when you lose a grandparent as well, because it's like they've lived for so long until they reach like old age and they pass away, you know, peacefully and stuff like that. Apart from that, I have lost 2 cousins, like very close to me, one of which was my mother's nephew. Yeah, he was murdered like 5-6 years ago in Jamaica. And then I lost another cousin from Anguilla, which is my stepmom's nephew. Obviously, I grew up with him. We all grew up together, and he lost his life as well due to gun violence. And then we have this cousin now, anything, but you know, I just hate losing people who I basically grew up with, you know, who I know from childhood, and it's just quite sad, you know. May his soul rest in peace. But yeah, not just gonna stop talking about that. But she came up for that funeral, and yeah, so she's gonna go back to Anguilla in a few days time, so we're gonna go see her. She can meet River, she can meet Rain. Don't go far, wait here. Hey Rainy, here's Kayla and Rainy Boo Boo. Yeah, so we're here. Just call her, tell her that we're actually outside. Look at Kayla with her little brother and her sister. Rivi, did you knock on the door? Is anyone home? Oh no. Did you knock? Is no one home? We're waiting for her. Oh. I don't even know who is she lives upstairs. Oh, they have to go up again probably. Go on, big boy Rivi. River act like you know where he going. Oh, hi! This way, Rivi. We're going the wrong way. Say hi, Rivi. Say hello. Go on. Go.
Really? Where people not people?
Go on. You and your cat boy vlogging now. So guys, this is her. This is Merle. Rainy, say hi. Oh, hello. Rivi, did you say good afternoon? Not gonna say anything? Give a big hug. Give her big hugs. Yeah. Good job, Riv. Shake hands. Good job. Yeah. Next year. Let's see if Rain will go. Say hi, Rainy. Yeah. She's looking at Kayla. Why are you staring at Kayla like that? Were you cold? You could always tell when people come from the Caribbean. Don't cry, Rainy. It's okay. Yay.
Look, and mommy.
Yeah.
Hey, she gonna have bills in here.
That's how, you know, River hair was like that.
Don't cry.
Don't cry, Rainy. It's okay, boom boom. Yay! Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. We're clapping. We're clapping. We're clapping. 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 She like to clap. Yay! Clap, Rainy. Clapping. She did good though. I thought she would have ball. What's that, Riv? Look at Rivi with this big spider in his hand. That's a big spider, Riv. Wow, I thought he would have been afraid of it, you know? You gonna show it to Rainy?
Kayla.
Look at Rain. No, Rainy. See, she stopped.
You want juice?
You want anything to drink?
No, no, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, Rivi. Rainy, did you give big hugs? Come on, Rainy, boo-boo. Come, boo-boo. Come.
I'm there, yeah?
Show them your spider, Rib. That's a big spider.
You'd pee yourself if you were dead.
That's a big spider. Wow.
See you all later.
See ya. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Riv.
You go get up.
Come on, Riv. But Riv, why you don't hold on to the rails? Hold on over there, Riv. Oh, I know your spider fought, Riv. Look, Rainy, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Rainy. Wait, who you calling Dada? You could never be calling somebody Dada. You look like your father.
Bye.
Huh? Say bye-bye. Rainy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Hold on and up. Oh, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. High five. She likes to do high five. High five. Hey. Rivi. Come on, Rivi. That's her butt mark. That's her butt mark. Hey, Rainy.
Bye-bye.
So guys, this is my stepmom that they were married, but I was 7 when I moved to Anguilla. And this is her. Y'all never seen her on the vlog before, but yeah.
Here I am.
That's Merle. Yeah. So yeah, that's my dad's ex-wife. Yes, ex-wife. Yeah, they came to come Rivi. They actually came to Jamaica to get me in 1995, and I moved up with them and stuff. And yeah. Yeah, so we're going now. Sean texted, said that he made dinner. That was fast. Dinner ready. So we're going now to get the drink. He's like, stop, get a drink, and dinner's ready. Whatever. Hey, Randy. Put Rivi in. Yeah, so that's my stepmom, people. That's my Riverboat people. That's my daddy's ex-wife. Yeah, so yeah, I met her when I was 7. My dad came to Jamaica, brought his new wife, stuff like that. So that's her. That's the lady that raised me. Yeah, when I moved to Anguilla, I was in grade 1 and they divorced. Yeah, when I was headed to high school. Yeah, basically, but I always stayed close with, you know, the rest of the family and stuff like that. So yeah, it was nice seeing her. So she was reminding me, she was like, the last time she saw me was 2017. She actually was up here in 2017, because I know it was she did come to visit one time, and I know it was like quite a long time ago. So yeah, it was 2017 was the last time I saw her. Yeah, so yeah, it was nice seeing her again. So that's the lady that made it possible for me to even be in England, really. You know, my mom always used to tell me stuff like that, regardless of anything that happened over the years and stuff like that. You know, my dad married her. That's how he ended up even staying in Anguilla, brought me up, all that stuff. I got citizenship. So that's how I got that's how I became a British citizen, because my dad was married to her, who was a British citizen. And yeah, that's how the journey started. It all started with her. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna head home now and get dinner that my husband make, y'all. Sean texted me. Sean said dinner ready. It would have been nice for Sean to actually meet her, but I actually went to grab ShéKayla from school, and yeah, today wasn't like a great day to thing. So yeah, but eventually, hopefully one day they will meet. She's gonna leave in a couple of days, but I don't know, we'll see. That would be nice. So anyways, thanks for tuning in to this vlog. Love you guys as always. Make sure you like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. All right, say bye bye.